Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about the basic commands in Vim interactive tutorial, and I'm going to give a demo on the live terminal, how the commands are used in Vim. So let's get in the video. First of all, what is Vim? Vim is a highly configurable keyword centric text editor. Basically it's a text editor used in terminal designed for efficiency. It is an enhanced version of a classic Unix VI editor, which offers the modal editing terminal based. It runs on the terminal basis, and it's already pre-installed on the most Linux or Unix systems and Mac operating systems. So, in the next slide, we are going to look about what are the uses of Vim. It is used to code development, system administration, writing, and writing a documentation, data processing, and custom automation. So now we are going to learn about the how the commands work. Now we are in the terminal. Now I am going to create a file using a vim command. So for that we have to type vim vim, then the file name which I used here is basic, then we have to put dot text. Just press enter, then you can open the vim. So now you can't type anything, like the keyboard won't work, you can't enter any text in that. So for that we have to use the I, which is for insert mode. We have to then type whatever you want. Just I'm typing a example text here. Everyone, welcome to. Just I'm typing a example text here, so you can type whatever you want. In this video we are about basics of Vim. Yeah, I'm done. Then now I'm going to give a demo how the normal mode, like the navigation of command and the movement. So for that I'm using some keyboard keys. For that, like I is for inserting before the cursor, and A to insert after the cursor, and a new line to below the cursor, and demo type 1 I. So then V for cursor selection, Ctrl Shift for line selection. So the two colons are to enter the command or to save or quit. Then we can use colon W to save, colon Q to quit, colon WQ to save and quit. Then colon Q exclamation mark for force quit, like we can discard the changes. And for the text editing we can use X to delete, DD to delete the entire line, DW to delete the word, word U to undo the whatever we have deleted, and Control R for redo, and two Y's, YY for copy, and normal P for paste. So now I'm giving an example so you can have a look. Yeah, I'm doing, see, I'm deleting the word. This I'm doing undo using the U keyword. For deleting the whole word I'm using the DW, and for the deleting the entire the line we have to use DD. So these are the keywords I'm using in the terminal. See, for this, like for the copy I used YY, so I'm copying whatever the lines which I am copying, just copy paste. So you can copy paste like number of times we want. Then for the main important thing is for
exiting the file, we have to use the escape button, then use :W to save, :Q to quit. If you want to save and quit, just use :WQ, or if you want to quit as soon as possible, just use the :Q exclamation mark. So yeah, that's all in this video. We have learned the basic things in way. So how to open file, how to use the commands.